Hi guys, and welcome to the Sneekylinux educational channel. Okay, just set it up a few days ago. I've got some content to go on, but this is just an introduction of what we're going to do. Okay, so firstly, this is for people in schools in the UK, but if you're in the US or Europe, you're welcome to watch and do whatever you want to. Now, the main thing we're going to focus on in the first few weeks is replacing all your old hardware. Your old hardware, software. Okay, your old hardware's software with newer software that can run on it. So don't throw away all them old laptops. No, don't throw them away. Don't give them away. Just keep them, and we can keep them running to make your classroom work correctly. So that's going to be the first few videos, but there's also going to be other feeds that we're going to do. So if I just click on a window here, I'm not actually going to use what we're going to use when we're going to do the videos. This is my own personal desktop, but we're going to use the Raspberry Pi desktop to do everything we want to do, okay? Even recording, like I'm doing now, using OBS or Simple Screen Recorder, it's going to be Linux based because the hardware you've got is too old for Windows at the end of the day. So we're going to be using Audacity, which you should know how to use anyway. This is blank space, load it up. We're going to do some stuff with Audacity. Show how to use it correctly. Let's say goodbye to that. No, we don't want to save, because we don't want to save. We go to our next window. We're going to be using Blender. Now, if you've been doing Code Club for a while, like I have, too long, you should have done most of the Blender stuff, but there's lots and lots of things you can use Blender for. Not just for making little images, you can actually render whole films. But that's going to be well down the line. Trust me, yeah, well down the line. Okay. Also, we're going to be using GIMP, which is an alternative to the Adobe suite that you have to pay for. GIMP is really cheap, and I'll show you here what it's actually called. Okay, so if I go down to graphics here, it's called the GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's been around for years and years and years, and it can do anything you want. You just have to learn different ways to do things at the end of the day. Okay, so I'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of Blender as well. So that's what we're going to be focused on. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get you up and running with a Raspberry Pi desktop with your old machinery, which is probably really knackered anyway, but you're going to be able to use a lot of the programs, okay? And then we're going to go for some walkthroughs of all different software, online and offline, that you can use. Yeah, so that should be nice and easy. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.